Welcome to Techo Guide, the only app designed to help you navigate your college and career journey in the quickest and most affordable way. This podcast is brought to you by EdTechWity, dedicated to opening doors to higher education and career opportunities for all.
Are you a college student and you didn't do too well on some of your college courses? I'm Vanessa and I'm going to give you some pro tips on how to get rid of those bad grades. To get rid of the bad grade, you can either retake the class and get a better grade next time, or you can look up on your school website the academic renewal petition and you can see if you qualify. This will remove any D's or F's from the calculation of your GPA. However, it definitely won't take them off your transcript completely. The only thing that will happen is that your transcript will be updated saying that those classes are discounted due to the academic renewal. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and for more tips on how to get through college in the most affordable way possible, download the free Techo Guide app or visit techoguide@techoguide.com.
Thank you for tuning into Techo Guide, the app focused on bringing you tools and content to help you make better decisions about school, life, and career. We hope this episode has inspired you to pursue and excel in your own educational and career journey. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share.